Looking for the best electric bike in 2026? Whether you're commuting to work, exploring off-road trails, or simply looking for a fun and eco-friendly way to travel, today's electric bikes offer more power, longer range, and better features than ever before. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric bikes of 2026. We've selected models for every type of rider, from powerful electric dirt bikes capable of reaching highway-like speeds to compact folding e-bikes perfect for city commuters. We'll cover the features, real-world performance, pros, cons, and who each bike is best suited for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. HAPPYRUN G300 Pro Electric Dirt Bike. The HAPPYRUN G300 Pro is one of the most powerful electric dirt bikes available for consumers in 2026. Designed for thrill seekers and off-road enthusiasts, this bike combines motorcycle-level performance with electric efficiency. Featuring a massive 72-volt 30Ah battery and a powerful 6,500-watt motor, it's built for riders who demand serious speed and range. If power is your priority, the G300 Pro stands in a league of its own. The acceleration is impressive, delivering instant torque that makes hill climbing and trail riding effortless. The 50-mile-per-hour top speed makes it one of the fastest bikes on this list. The hydraulic brakes provide strong stopping power, which is essential considering the bike's performance capabilities. The large battery allows for extended adventures without constant recharging. However, this isn't an ideal choice for casual commuters. Its size, weight, and power are better suited for experienced riders who want an electric dirt bike experience rather than a traditional e-bike. Pros: exceptional 6,500-watt motor performance, extremely fast 50-mile-per-hour top speed, long 70-mile range, hydraulic brakes enhance safety, high 350-pound load capacity. The HAPPYRUN G300 Pro is the ultimate choice for riders who want maximum power, speed, and off-road capability. If you're looking for a high-performance electric dirt bike, this model deserves serious consideration. Number 2. TST Electric Bike for Adults. The TST electric bike strikes an excellent balance between power, comfort, and practicality. Equipped with a 1,500-watt peak motor, full suspension, and fat tires, it's designed to handle city streets, gravel roads, and moderate off-road adventures. The TST electric bike delivers strong acceleration and excellent versatility. Its fat tires provide stability on sand, snow, dirt, and pavement, making it a great all-around performer. The full suspension setup significantly improves comfort during long rides and rough terrain. Riders will also appreciate the removable battery, which makes charging much more convenient. While it's not as fast as the HAPPYRUN G300 Pro, it offers a more balanced experience that's suitable for everyday use and recreational riding alike. Pros: powerful 1,500-watt motor, comfortable full suspension setup, versatile fat tires, long 60-mile range, removable battery for convenience. The TST electric bike is an excellent all-around option that combines performance, comfort, and versatility. It's ideal for riders who want one bike that can handle nearly any environment. Number 3. ANCHEER Folding Electric Bike. For urban commuters and apartment dwellers, the ANCHEER Folding Electric Bike offers portability without sacrificing functionality. Its compact folding design makes storage and transportation incredibly easy. The ANCHEER Folding Electric Bike shines when convenience matters most. It's compact enough to fit into small apartments, offices, and car trunks, while still providing enough range for daily commuting. The dual suspension helps smooth out rough city streets, while the LCD display provides useful riding information at a glance. Although it lacks the power of larger e-bikes, its portability makes it one of the most practical options for city riders. Pros: compact folding design, easy storage and transport, affordable compared to larger e-bikes, good commuting range, UL-certified safety compliance. If you need an electric bike for commuting, travel, or limited storage spaces, the ANCHEER Folding Electric Bike is one of the best portable options available. Number 4. Gotrax Astra Electric Dirt Bike. The Astra is designed for younger riders and beginners looking for an affordable introduction to electric dirt biking. Its smaller size and moderate power make it approachable while still delivering plenty of fun. The Astra prioritizes safety and accessibility over extreme performance. The modest top speed helps new riders build confidence while still providing an exciting riding experience. Its dual suspension and pneumatic tires absorb bumps effectively, making rides smoother and more enjoyable. The lightweight design also improves maneuverability. While experienced riders may outgrow it quickly, beginners will appreciate its easy handling and user-friendly operation. Pros: beginner-friendly performance, affordable pricing, comfortable suspension setup, easy to control, lightweight design. The Gotrax Astra is a fantastic starter electric dirt bike that offers fun, safety, and value for new riders entering the electric biking world. Number 5. Gotrax R7 Electric Bike. The R7 combines comfort, utility, and everyday practicality into a commuter-focused package. With its fat tires, removable battery, cargo accessories, and comfortable seat, it's built for daily transportation. The R7 is one of the most practical e-bikes on this list. Its comfortable seating position and included storage accessories make it perfect for errands, commuting, and casual rides. The 750-watt motor provides enough power for most urban environments while maintaining good battery efficiency. Riders who prioritize comfort and convenience will appreciate the thoughtful design. Although it isn't designed for aggressive off-road riding, it performs exceptionally well for daily transportation. Pros: comfortable oversized seat, practical cargo accessories, reliable 750-watt motor, good range for daily use, easy assembly. After comparing all 5 electric bikes, here are our top recommendations. Best overall, HAPPYRUN G300 Pro. Perfect for riders who want maximum performance, speed, and range. Best value, TST electric bike. A versatile all-arounder with excellent features and strong performance. Best commuter, ANCHEER folding electric bike. Ideal for urban riders needing portability and convenience. Best beginner dirt bike, Gotrax Astra. A safe and affordable entry point into electric dirt biking. Best everyday utility bike, Gotrax R7. Comfortable, practical, and designed for daily transportation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review video.